Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of Windows 11 because of forced updates, ads, or privacy concerns, today's video is for you. What if you could have an operating system that looks almost exactly like Windows 11 but is actually Linux? That's exactly what AnduinOS 2 offers. It's free, lightweight, privacy-friendly, and one of the best Linux distributions for Windows users in 2026. Even more interesting, it's developed by Microsoft software engineer Anduin Xue as a personal project. Anduin OS 2 is based on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS and uses a heavily customized GNOME 50 desktop that closely resembles Windows 11. You'll find a centered taskbar, familiar start menu, rounded corners, and an interface that feels instantly comfortable. The goal is simple: make switching from Windows to Linux as easy as possible. Installation is quick and beginner-friendly. Just download the ISO, create a bootable USB drive, and follow the installer. Within minutes, you're welcomed by a clean desktop with almost no bloatware. Everything feels polished, responsive, and ready to use. One of the biggest improvements in version 2 is its focus on privacy and simplicity. There's no telemetry, snap packages have been completely removed in favor of Flatpak, and you still get full access to Ubuntu's apt repositories. That means thousands of applications are available with just a few clicks. Performance is another strong point. Powered by Linux kernel 7, AnduinOS boots quickly, uses very little system resources, and runs smoothly on both modern PCs and older hardware. Whether you're browsing the web, programming, studying, or doing office work, the experience is fast and reliable. Software installation is also straightforward through the built-in Software Center. Popular apps like Steam, Visual Studio Code, Discord, LibreOffice, and your favorite web browsers are easy to install, making AnduinOS a great choice as a daily driver. Of course, it's not perfect. Since it's still a relatively young project, some Windows-like features rely on GNOME extensions, and certain games with anti-cheat software may require additional setup. Overall, AnduinOS 2 is one of the easiest ways to switch from Windows to Linux. It combines Ubuntu's stability with a familiar Windows-like interface, excellent performance, and strong privacy. I would easily give it a 9.2 out of 10. So, what do you think about AnduinOS 2? Would you switch from Windows? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Linux and open source content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.